Holy mackerel. Got an amazing donation. I mentioned online that I don't have a camera that is really great for recording right now. And so a long-time donor, a guy that's been donating for a long time but wants to remain private, has donated a GoPro HERO7. Now this isn't quite what I was thinking of. This is like an adventure camera. You know, and my life isn't, well, it is a super adventure, but it's not like I'm biking around or parachuting a lot. So this is a really high quality camera and might even change what we're able to record. He included a 128 gigabyte SD card. Whoa, this is so cool. I mean, I know I'm a little slow. Everybody else knows everything about GoPros, but I don't know anything about GoPros. So I'm going to find out what these are for. And I got to say thank you. The Bosque is getting interesting, more interesting all the time, because people are donating. It allows us to host more people and do more things. I don't even know how to unbox this guy. Lots of strange pieces to it. There we go. This is a GoPro. We're going to have some fun.